Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Responsive search ads are now the standard in Google Ads, and if you're not using them correctly, you're missing out. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a responsive search ads in Google Ads 2026 for maximum performance. Now let's get right into it and start by following these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to open your campaign. Now before you do that, you have to create your Google Ads account. And to do that, you're going to go to business.google.com and make sure to sign in with your Google account. After that, you're going to click on Start Now. And you're going to be directed to this page right here where you're going to have to fill in the information about your business. Once you do that, you're going to enter a valid website in order to proceed. And once you finish filling the information, you're going to be able to access the campaigns. Just look here. And you're going to start a new campaign. Now from here, to start a new campaign, you're just going to click on ads and click plus new ad. As you can see here, we're going to click on plus new ad. The second step is to choose a responsive search ad. You're going to select the responsive search ad as the ad type. We're going to scroll here and see where we can find the responsive ad type. As you can see, this is the responsive ad. Third thing is to enter the headlines and descriptions. You can add up to 15 headlines, and you can add up to 4 descriptions. As you can see here, you can add the headlines right here, and you can add the descriptions right here. And after that, you're going to pin important headlines. The pin key message like brand name or CTA if needed. And also final URL and display path. You're going to enter your landing page URL and display path. And you're going to save and publish and review everything and click on save. Make sure to write unique headlines, not duplicates, and include keywords naturally and let Google optimize them before making changes. And that's it. That's how you create a responsive search ad in Google Ads 2026. The better your assets, the better Google can optimize your ads. So if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.